Ancient civilizations used different metals like gold, copper, and silver. Do you know what happened to these metals over a period of time? Over the time, the surface of articles made of copper got tarnished more as compared to silver and gold. It implies that there is difference in reactivity of different metals. Scientists observed reaction of metals with water, acids and oxygen to compare the reactivity of various metals. A reactivity series of metals was formulated on the basis of varying reactivities of metals. Reactivity series is a vertical column in which metals are arranged on the basis of their reactivity. In the reactivity series, more reactive metals are placed towards the top, while less reactive metals are placed towards the bottom of the reactivity series. Hydrogen is taken as a relative standard with which reactivity of other metals is compared. Hydrogen is placed between more reactive and less reactive metals. Do you know the reason for difference in reactivity of different metals? Metals being electropositive form positive ions when they react. The ability to lose electrons and form positive metal ions differs from metal to metal. For example, a metal atom having only one electron in the outermost shell loses it easily. In case the metal has 2 or more electrons in outermost shell, more energy is required to remove them, which makes the metal less reactive. Number of shells present in the atom of a metal also affects reactivity of metal. For example, consider 2 metal atoms having a single electron in the outermost shell but different number of shells. The atom having more number of shells will lose the electron more easily. If the distance between the electrons in the valence shell from the positive nucleus is more, the electrons are lost easily, making the metal reactive. More reactive metal, that is, the one placed higher in the reactivity series, can displace less reactive metal from its salt solution. For example, aluminium displaces iron from the solution of iron sulfate. Metal reactivity series helps us in understanding the reaction of metals with water, oxygen, and acids. For example, let's observe reaction of metals with water. More reactive metals like sodium, potassium, and calcium react vigorously with cold water to form hydrogen gas and corresponding hydroxide. Comparatively less reactive metals like magnesium, aluminium, and hydrogen react with steam or hot water to form metal hydroxides or oxides. Metals like copper, lead, silver, and gold do not react with water. The reactivity series helps to predict outcome of certain reactions.